friends, today I'm going to tell you how to find the hybridization and its molecular and electron structure. So first you have to calculate the total valence electrons of a given compound, and if sum is 8 or less than 8, then you have to divide by 2, else 8. If sum is not perfectly divisible by 8, then the leftover remainder will be divisible by 2. The quotient of 8 will give number of bond pair electron, and the quotient of 2 will give number of lone pair electron. For the valence electron, outermost electron will be valence electron. For the shortcut, the column name itself is a valence electron. Like lithium has lithium column number is 1, so lithium has valence electron on 1, and beryllium has 2. You have to neglect the D block, then again keep counting the column name. So boron has 3, carbon 4, and nitrogen 5, and so on. For example, Bf3. So boron has 3 valence electrons, so 3, and fluorine has 7 valence electrons. So here is 3 fluorine, so 3 into 7 is 24. So 24 total valence electrons. So 24 divided by 8. So quotient will be 3 and remainder will be 0. So then again you have to divide by this remainder. So 0 divided by 2 means 0. So 3 bond pair electron and 0 lone pair electron, so 3 and 0, and if you do sum 3 plus 0, so 3. So sp2 hybridization, so the sum will be equal to the power of s and p. So here s is 1 and p is 2, so sp2 hybridization. Again example, ClF3. So 7 chlorine has 7 valence electron, and fluorine also has 7 valence electrons. So 7 plus 3 into 7, 28. So 28 divided by 8. The quotient will be 3 and remainder will be 4. So again you have to divide by 2. So 2. So 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, means sp3 dehybridization. And for the structure of the compound, you will have to remember this table. So first came 3 and 0. So 3 and 0. So its structure, its electron pair structure is trigonal planar, and geometry of atom is trigonal planar. And second of example, 3 into this 3 and 2, and its electron pair structure is trigonal bipyramidal, and atom structure is T-shaped. So and you have to remember the one thing, if sum is 8 or below 8, this method will give the right hybridization, but you have to know the lone pair electron on the central atom, like H2O, NH3 and CH4 all has hybridization is same, but its molecular structure is different. So H2O has 2 lone pair electron, and NH3 has 1 lone pair electron, and CH4 is 0. So when you calculate the hybridization, the lone pair and bond pair electron sum will come 4, but you have to distinguish the structure by knowing the lone pair electron. So if it is 4 and if it is H2O, then oxygen has 2 lone pair electron, means 2 and 2, and NH3 so 3 and 1, and CH4 means 4 and 0. So based on this you have to calculate the lone pair electron and bond pair electron, and I guess you understood the method, and thank you.